Solid communication skills open doors of opportunity throughout life. This means that an investment in public speaking skills is an investment in the future. NCFCA's Foundation of Speech curriculum is designed to build the research, writing, critical thinking, and presentation skills that young people need to engage in speaking opportunities with confidence and grace.
Every lesson incorporates a biblical worldview and encourages integrity and love for the audience at every step.
3 category modules focus on different aspects of competitive and real-world speaking. 1 prepares them for traditional platform speeches, which lean on informative and persuasive skills. Another develops key interpretive abilities to bring stories to life. And a 3rd helps them learn how to gather thoughts and speak clearly when they have only a limited time to prepare.
The 15-week curriculum comes in 3 digital flipbooks with printable PDFs. The student text, separate student workbook, and teacher manual combine individual reading assignments and exercises with discussion prompts, activities, and presentations designed for groups. You'll find several options for scheduling and ways to adapt the scope and sequence for homeschooling, speech clubs, co-ops, and classrooms.
Foundations of Speech provides top-notch preparation for speech competition, but the real value is in the building lifelong communication skills grounded in a biblical worldview.